You can try this method once. Put some coffee powder on the top of this filter part. Take this pressing thing and give a nice tap, and keep rotating and just give a nice tap, like probably 5-10 times. Also, another option is take the back of the spoon and hit this bottom. This will tighten up the powder, and the water when you pour into this will drip very slowly and it will be more concentrated. You can try this. Now pouring the water, take steep boiling hot water and pour it on this part. I'll just show you. Pour it on this part. Let the water not hit directly. When you pour on this, the compressed coffee powder which you did by pressing this, you can do for 5-10 times or more than that. I usually do more than that, like 20-25 times. You need to pour the water on this steel part so that the powder beneath is not disturbed. If you see the water, it is quite clear. Mine has little brown, only the powder which was just left out on the top of that. Anyway, when you pour the water, it has to be really clear. That shows that you have done a good. This is optional. I do this normally. You can hold this and slowly remove this, or if it is too hot, what I do, I use a scissor, or you can use even a fork, and just put in this, and I hold it like a support and just slowly twist and remove this. Just twist and remove this and close this. This will take more than normal time to drip the decoction, so you need to do maybe an hour in advance in the morning, or if you are in a hurry in the morning, you can do it in the night and just keep it. It takes quite a lot of time to drip the decoction, and when the decoction is dripped, it is very thick. Try it out once.